Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to block someone on Slack. Blocking someone on Slack isn't a built-in feature, but you can manage unwanted interaction using the following methods. Method 1. Mute direct messages. First of all, open up the Slack application on your device and log in. Select one of the workspaces from where you want to mute direct messages and go to the DMs button at the bottom. Select open one of the DMs and then go to the top of the screen and tap on the person's name. Now click on the settings and details button and you will see this interface. Now tap on the toggle button right next to mute in order to mute the contact. This will prevent notifications from that person without alerting them. Method 2. Leave channels or DMs. If the individual you want to block is in a shared channel or DM, go ahead and navigate to the channel or DM. Go ahead and tap on the name of the channel at the top. Now from here, tap on Settings and Details. Now on the next page, you can tap on Leave Channel or Leave Conversation. Click on Yes in the pop-up and you will then be able to remove yourself from the channel or the conversation. While Slack does not offer a direct block feature, these methods can help you manage unwanted interactions effectively. Always ensure that your actions align with your workspace guidelines and policies. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.